Alright, so to find the concept of my project, I looked at the Project 3 outline that you posted and saw the music example, and I kind of took that into consideration because I really love music, so I decided to make a new concert venue opening flyer poster type thing. To begin, I found my images, got my concept, and the background was actually very vibrant and the saturation was all the way up and it was pink and I just don't like that, so I decided to go for the more grunge rock venue thing. So with my background, actually it's not gonna let me. Okay, I went to the image, the adjustments, and then here's all the colors. I also had to do that for the rock on fingers so that the white would stand out since it's a dark background. The microphone I didn't have anything to do except for mask it, obviously, and then neither for this one. For my text, I found on the type kit, which actually had a lot of cool ones. I wish I would have looked at that first. And then I also added this text down here on the hand just to add another layer, and I thought it looked like a banner and it was weird looking blank. And then I added this little skull guy last because I feel like it made it seem more punk rock. For the most part, I had a lot of trouble using Adobe Photoshop until I used the Lynda software. That really helped me a lot. But I would definitely use this again. I think it's very interesting and it has a lot of creative aspects, so that's my project. I actually stopped recording, but I forgot to mention something. I also used to get my layers together. I used I would first of all open the image in this, and then I would go to Window, Arrange, Tile, and that helped me get all my layers together. That was like a big process, or a big part in my process, so I wanted to mention it, but yeah.